You're welcome back. This video is mainly for people that are new to crypto future trading on MEXC and people that are interested to start trading meme token on MEXC. In this video, we're going to explain how to start trading on crypto future market, crypto perpetual successfully with just your smartphone, and mostly for people that have been jumping from one YouTube video to another without being able to know how to execute your first position. I'll break everything down in very simple terms with just your smartphone. So if you haven't traded before, just get ready to open your first position today. We're going to explain how to spot newly listed token on MEXC, where to see those tokens, and how to execute your position perfectly without any error. Let's go. Kindly be aware, in order to start trading, you need to have an active MEXC account, mostly if you're ready to start trading meme token on MEXC with us, right? So kindly check the video description. You'll see my referral link there and my code. Please kindly use it to open your MEXC account, or you can go to your Play Store or App Store, right? Search for MEXC, right? After you download, when signing up, please input my code in order to claim your $10 to $25 sign up bonus, right? Please, if you don't know how to open your account, just kindly go check out this video tutorial. I explain it step by step on how to open your account successfully. And coming here, I mentally for this tutorial I've deposited $14 mentally for the tutorial and backtesting purpose. So coming here, you notice we have home. This is how your MEXC account would appear after you sign up, right? You'll see home. We have market here, we have trade, we have features, we have wallet. Please be aware, we only trade coins that are available on future market. At the same time, they call it perpetual. It's either you call it perpetual or future market. And how do we know this? Here on our home page, when you come to this point here, you see when you are on home, kindly take note of this. When you are on home like this, you're going to see this option favorite. You see hot, you see all these gainers, losers, you see new. This is what you want. And if you come over to this point here, you notice this option here show countdown listening time. These are tokens that's about to be listed, and these are the ones we are targeted to trade. Please take note, we only target those that have perpetual. Example, this particular one here that show perpetual AIN USDT, it show perpetual below. This is the one that's available on future market, and this is the one that will be available on future market immediately the coin go live. And if you check here, you notice this is the countdown. 23 hours from now, this token gonna be live. And if you click on it, right, you notice this is the countdown. So we have to wait. If you're active to start trading meme token on MEXC like us, make money like us, you have to stay focused, right, to monitor this immediately the coin launch. What you do, you click on open positions and you'll come back to this, right? Then you can also view the new listed token by clicking on the share bar here, up here, this option. You click on it. If you come over to this point, you're going to see hot sessions, newly listings, right? You click on the newly listings. If you check this, right, you notice these are the tokens that are going to be listed and the one that already been listed. Like this particular one here, we listed this morning. This particular one here, okay, yeah, this one was yesterday. Okay, we make a whole lot of money on this particular one, right? This one here was listed just a few days ago. We make a lot of money on these, right? And this one here going to be listed in 1 day, 30 something minutes from now, right? Why this one going to be listed in 23 minutes from now? If you check this particular one here, that is here, you notice this one is just listed today, right? This one just listed today. And if you check this, you notice below here it show perpetual. It show perpetual. Please be aware, we only trade those ones that show perpetual below. So when you check, example, if we check this one here, you notice this one here is not showing perpetual, it shows spot trading. Please be aware, we are not trading spot market at the moment. So if you see this one that show spot, right, this is not our target. Our target is only those ones that show perpetual below. And coming here, you click on, let me repeat this option again, new. Just come over to your home here and you're going to see all this drop down here. You just move to new, right? And this, you see this particular one here, live BSC, you notice it's going to be listed on 20 hours from now and it's not showing perpetual. It means this project will be available only on spot market, and this is not our target. Maybe when we have a spot trading strategy, we will come back to this, right? But at the moment, we don't have any strategy that's profitable on spot market. Then coming here, this particular one here, that ICE is show, it means it's on spot market. And if you check here, you notice this AIN appear 2 times. What does this mean? It means this project will be launched on spot market, at the same time would also be launched on future market. So what we do is to wait for the one that will be available on future market, which is perpetual, to be listed. And here is the countdown, right? So what we're going to do is for us to wait for this opportunity. Then I see a lot of people asking me, how do you get in? You know, when should I get in when the coin is being listed? We don't have an actual time. Immediately the token is launched. As long as you have the opportunity to see when the token is launched, what you do your analysis based on our strategy and you go short. If it's to short, you go short. If it's to buy, you go buy. And if you don't know how we are using ChatGPT to predict the direction of this market, please kindly go to this tutorial. Just check up here. You know, I'll put the link there. Click on the link. It's going to take you to the tutorial. Just dedicate time to watch it step by step. I'm sure this is going to help you to start making money on MEXC from today. And let's proceed. Okay, right, then you can see view everything here by clicking on search bar. This particular option here enable you to view all the pair that already been listed already. These are the ones that already been listed. And if you check this, assuming you were on this opportunity, you short this opportunity, you could have been on good profit. Assuming you short this opportunity like us, you can make money, right? And if we short this opportunity here, right, you could have made money. So the opportunity here on MEXC is unlimited. Now the next chapter is how do you open your position successfully, right? Don't worry, let's proceed with that. So after you spot that opportunity that will be listed, right, you wait for it. Let's use this, for example, this particular one here that already been listed. So let's assume this project we see on countdown. What you do, you just come over to this option, click on open, right? As you click on the open, please kindly take note this option here. Let's explain all the features that's available here. I strongly recommend you see this option here. You see that my own is showing cross, right? Please be aware we are using cross margin. Please be aware we are using cross, right, to trade. We are not using isolated. Kindly make sure you switch, right, in order to be in line with what we are doing. You know, I deposited $10 for this account mentally for the tutorial, and this option here is our leverage, right? That means this coin here you can use up to 50 leverage to trade. But please, if you are new to this, I would strongly recommend you go for 5x leverage or 10x leverage, so you don't expose your account to high risk. You understand what I mean? And you know, maybe after understanding how leverage work perfectly by yourself, you can make a decision to be using any leverage that's available to you. Please kindly make sure you put everything as recommended here. You just drag this to maybe 5%, or let's say 10%. Good. Click on confirm, right? And then please be aware we have open here, we have close here. Please be aware, you know, this must be on open, right? Because if it's on close, it might cause some distraction or not being able to open your position. Please kindly make sure it's on open. Then the next option here, if you're just signing up, you know, everything might not be like this. Please, we have this other option here which show market, right? If you click on it, you notice we have so many options. We have limit, we have market, we have trigger, we have, please be aware, we are using, when trading new listed token, we are using market. This allows us to get in immediately, right? Make sure it's on market. If it's on limit like this, you switch to market. Good, we are done with that. And then this other option here is where you would look into, if you just open your MEXC account, it might be on this cross, it might be on this count, right? So please kindly make sure it's on USDT. This would help you to open in dollar equivalent. Make sure you switch to USDT and then click on confirm. If it's on order by cost USDT, please move it to order by quantity. You understand? Move it to order by quantity, then click on confirm. Then that is okay. What next again? Then this option here, let's assume immediately this token is launched, you want to trade. We strongly recommend risking 5 to 10% of your account on each opportunity. Then you drag it to 5%. Okay, this is 6%. Okay, let's assume I want to use 5%. Okay, you drag it to 5%. See how it shows? It shows that 5% of this account is 5 point, you know, right? Okay, then we click on short, boom, it show order submitted successfully, right? order submitted successfully. And if we check here, let's see let's check the trade that I've opened. You notice we have get in, right? We have getting successfully. So this is how to open your first position on MEXC successfully without any stress. And be aware, right? Before you can start trading on future market, you have to transfer funds. If you're just new to this, you fund your account, you're going to land on spot wallet automatically. You have to transfer it to future market. How do you get this done? Is by coming to your wallet here, right? Is by coming to your wallet here and click on, let's assume after you make a deposit, it's going to show on spot here. It's going to show on spot here. What you're going to do, just click on transfer. Click on this option here. Then we have transfer here, and the fund going to be on spot here. You see from spot to future, you just put any amount. If maybe it's $100 you fund, please be aware the minimum balance we recommend to start trading is $50 to $100 and $30. Anything above this on Memecoins trading, I don't recommend. Just put the amount you want to transfer to your future wallet. After that, you click on, right, you're going to see option here to do transfer. It will automatically move your fund to future wallet. Please be aware, if you have funds on your MEXC account and it's not on future wallet, you cannot be able to do this. You have to transfer it to your future wallet. So this is how simple it is to start trading. Open your first trade on MEXC future market from today. What else do I have to explain? Then if you want to check your position after you open your position successfully, maybe you mistakenly close your page, right, and you want to come back and see how the position is doing, how the market is doing, right, you come over to this on here, you click on trade, right, you click on trade, then automatically it's going to be on spot. You kindly click on feature, right, and if you come over to feature, you come down, you notice this is the trade example, the one we open here. And if you want to view the chart, all right, just kindly click on this option. You kindly just go up here and click on this option. Click on this option here, this option. You click on chart. It would automatically open the chart for you and show you your entry and how much you have made, right? And and show you how much you have made. And if you want to view your, maybe for example you want to show me your result, just to motivate other people to learn, right? You just click on this dot here. Click on this dot here and it's going to show you how many percent you have made. Then if you want to download, you click on here, download. It shows save successfully. So this how simple it is. And if you want to close the position after maybe it hit your target, you want to close the position, just come over to this point, click on flat close. Flat close means you close out everything that you have. And then if you want to close some part of the profit, right, you come over to the second option, click on close. And then if you want, maybe you feel like closing out 50%, right, you want to close at 50%, you just drag it to 50%, right, you close. If you want to close everything to 100%, you just close it. If you want to close 25%, let me close 50% on my end, you click on confirm, boom. So it means you have closed out maybe 50% of your profit or 50% of your loss. So this is how simple it is to open your first position on MEXC. And if there's anything you don't understand on this tutorial, kindly drop it on the comment section. And if there's anything you want me to do on my next video, kindly drop it on the comment section. At the same time, learn this together with your friends. Watch the video, at the same time learn this together with your friend, practice it. If you don't understand how to manage your risk, please kindly go to this video. Please, before you start trading, kindly make sure you understand our risk management game. What is risk management? Is the way we are managing our risk, is the way we are using our volume, because that's what will determine how long you're going to stay on the game. If you come out today, for example, you open your first position, let's assume you have $100 on your account, you just come over to this point here and do boom 100%, right, and open the position. In less than no time you'll get liquidated. So please kindly go and check out this video and how we manage our risks, how many percent of your account uses risk pay trade. And at the same time, also check this other video here. I explain our ChatGPT trading strategy. And also go to our Telegram to join our Telegram. Check the video description. I'll put a link to our Telegram. Also check the video description. I've put a link to our Telegram. Please be aware, this is our official Telegram channel, Ekan the Trader. Currently we are on 2010 members, right? Please, this is my official Telegram. Check the video description and few days ago, one of our members reached out to me that it got scam of over $500. Someone pretending to be me with a fake your Telegram account with my name, with my picture. Please be aware, I do not offer any investment program. I do not offer any account management service. I will not ask you to send money to me for account management. The only thing I provide here on my page is teaching you how to trade by yourself, and at the same time, people that have enough funds, how to use our crypto AI agent pod. Anything out of this is not me, right? At the moment. Then if you want to maybe make payment to someone, please always make sure you request for video call, and also check my official WhatsApp number on this description, on the description of the video. That's my only WhatsApp number. This is my only Telegram channel. Please don't give out your money to scammers. I remember your friend Ekan the trader. If you like what I do, please kindly like this video, subscribe, drop a comment, and tell me you are learning. Show a little appreciation, because this would help YouTube to pop the video to other people to watch. And at the same time, the more people watch my video, it motivates me to dedicate time to learn more, to do more. This is how we have been trading new listed token on MEXC every day, being able to make profit every day with all our community members. If you come over to our Telegram channel here, you notice most of our members, so many of our members making profit every day. If you come over to our channel here, you notice our members making profit. Check this, making profit every day, every day. They're all making profit. So don't think this is not possible for you. It's very possible as long as you're ready to learn. Please, I remember your friend Ekan the trader. I'm hoping to see you on my next video. Before you go, please subscribe.